Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking and unblocking users on Instagram. To block a user, first visit their profile. Now click on the Settings button, which looks like three dots at the top right of the screen. Select Block and confirm it. To see and manage your list of blocked users, go to your profile and tap on the menu button. Now tap Settings, then tap Privacy, and then select Blocked Accounts. Here you will see all of your blocked accounts. To unblock, simply tap on their profile and then hit the Unblock button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.